Hi, I'm Crystal Patton of Empowered Legacy Planning, an estate planning, estate administration, and business law firm located in Tempe, Arizona. I want to talk to you today about an issue that we see happen quite a bit, unfortunately, and that is where we have trustees who don't get along. Trustees who don't get along can cause a lot of problems and especially huge delays in trust administration. This could also happen if you have joint agents under a power of attorney or even personal representatives under your will. One of the most egregious situations that we have ever had to deal with was a situation where there was a trust administration. The trust was created by another attorney outside of our firm, and we were contacted years after both of the trust makers had passed away. Apparently, when they drafted the plan, they decided, since they were a blended family, that they wanted an individual successor trustee from both sides of the family to be able to help administer the estate, with the intent or the hope that things would go pretty smoothly. Unfortunately, you had a couple of individuals who both had very strong opinions about how things should go. One individual didn't really want to follow the rules of the trust. The other individual did, but often found themselves at odds. What ended up happening is nothing. No one wanted to go fight it out in court because of the cost and the time involved. But what that meant was things drug on and on and on for many years. Over 8 to be exact. We're not talking a huge multi-million dollar estate. We're talking a few $100,000. Not anything to blush at, of course, but so much money was spent going back and forth with lawyers. And even some of that money was sent to the state as unclaimed property that had to be collected later because it had been sitting with the various financial institutions for so long. I mentioned that this is one of the most egregious situations that we have seen in our practice, but it happens. It happens a lot more than we'd like to think. You have trustees or personal representatives or agents who may have underlying issues with each other, may have very fundamental differences in the way that they see things. In situations like that, we have a huge cost, not just the monetary cost of these ongoing administrations, but the emotional cost as well. These things can split up families to the point of no repair. It is extremely important that when you're choosing trustees that you think through these issues. This is a probate and trust administration nightmare that you want to avoid. If you have questions on who the best people to serve you and your plan are, and you'd like some guidance or advice, we'd love to help you create your own empowered legacy. And if you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to hit that like button, comment below, and share with others so that they can understand some of these probate and trust administration nightmares and avoid them as well. Have a great day.